Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade Home. I'm Hester and today I got a very easy project for you. If you follow my videos, you must know by now I have a bit of a soft spot for the Knagglig box. Knagglig? The wooden box from Ikea. Don't still know how to pronounce it, but yeah, it's a beautiful box. And I, over the years, have changed quite a lot of them into other little projects. But today I'm gonna change one into a little book storage box for Kiki. I'm using these little legs I picked up in B&Q. They are plastic, but they have a metal effect. Don't like the color, so I'm also gonna use the spray paint of Rust-Oleum and it's in candy pink. From an empty cardboard box, I made a little spray booth. You simply put your furniture leg inside. You're gonna shake your spray paint for as long as it says on the can, probably about 1 minute. And you apply a thin layer of color. Just swivel your furniture leg around so it's evenly coated. It's better to do a few thin coats than one thick one because it will drip. As you can see, I slightly sprayed my table here. Yeah, I should have really put a bit of cardboard underneath. You keep going until all your 4 legs are painted with the first coat of paint. So that's my favorite storage box. I just love its simple design. And what you're going to do is with a hammer, you're going to tap one of the top slats off. It will come off very easily. And then with your sander, I'm using my Ryobi 1+1. Make sure you sand the box nice and smooth, especially the corners. And then with my pink paint, also Rust-Oleum, it's a furniture paint. I think it's called Coral. I'm just going to add a color accent to the top slats. I did this freehand, but you could tape your box off. And once the paint is dry, with a slightly damp cloth, I'm just going to rub the paint a little bit, just to merge the edge in. Hey Kermit, you're the paint supervisor. Yeah guys, this is what happens when you talk to a dog and you don't realize you have your paint in the wrong way around. Might have to paint this bench now. Give the furniture legs a second coat of paint. As you can see, I did it the other way around this time, so I make sure a little foot has got enough paint as well. Just thin coats, and once the legs are dry, it's time to attach them. Use short screws. You don't want your screw to poke through the bottom of the box. Attach them in place, and your box is ready. Isn't that sweet? Kiki just loves playing with a book right now. She likes taking all the little books out and sits down and sometimes flips through them, sometimes eats the books. We still have to work on her actually putting the books back into the crate, but yeah, that's a project for another time. And even if you don't have a child, this will be a really nice little make for you as well, because I reckon it'll be quite a nice pet bed. Just put a cushion in and your pet has a nice little spot for themselves, or any other things you want to store away. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and have a look on my website hester'shandmadehome.com for more craft ideas for your home. I'll be back soon with a new video, hope to see you then.